How to fix character AI can't log in or sign up. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. So if you are facing an issue to log in or sign up in your character AI, you no need to worry because most of the time it is because the server is down or under maintenance. After a while, after you give a refresh to your character AI, it will be up and running and you can easily log in into your character AI. However, if the issue still persists, you may have to clear up the cache built up in your character AI. In order to do so, just go ahead and make sure your cursor is in the character AI, then just right click on it. Now, in this dialog box to the very bottom, navigate to the option of Inspect and tap on it. Now you will see a tab like this. You need to head over and select on the Application option. From here on the application, make sure to tap on Storage. Then you will find something like this. In the storage, you need to head down. Then make sure you select on Cache Storage as well as Cookies. Then just tap on Clear Site Data. After that, you can head back from here and again give a refresh to your character AI and begin the login process. And I bet this should work, as you can see right here. This is all for the video as well. We hope that you found it informative to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.